Abaahure aba nibajyango kubaza barakwegita mu ntebekanisa ya government ya parish development model nkibateekateekesa kuba banagirwe nyuma abantu bajyango nk'abaahure ebintu nibagumera kandi government teshemerire kubebwa.
I tried 3 times to register first where I am born. So they told them the instructions they had were not to include us in their lists.
Ngoni nkyamyangu omu government programs abaahure barekirwe nyuma kanyonka ashabire ngo government yabane kureba ngo ubundi heine ebintu bibatari kwetegereza ki bashimira kutweta batubugane boninga baba tutaye yo makagaitu.
Nkuru nungi Milton omuhandiki w'obureberezi bwa Kigezi nagira ngo nabo nko bureberezi tibine ntebekanisa y'amani kwera abaahure aba kandi ashaba bikiri kukwataho okubikiriza bakehandikisha mu parish development model.
Well, per se, we don't have a special program, but what happens is that for them they have a group of the retired, and now they usually meet, and during their discussions, they also share about issues of how they can also make headway in terms of development. So for us, we have a circle in which we encourage them also to have shares, and out of the circle, those who come can get set loans subsidized to go about some of the income generating projects they would want to do. Apart from that, really, I may not tell you that you have really another kind of special program.
Tuganireho na Bakak Ronald omuhezi wa RDC ahabwa Kabale okureba habwe ncha abaahure aba nabazibirwa kwehandikisa.
I called the clergy. If they feel they are under that category of people, I advise them to join the enterprise groups. But recently I heard that they are proposing for a special program from the president. You know, President Museveni is one person who has loved so much to see that everyone is doing well financially.
Omugandi Pastor Murisa Bernard omushumba w'ekanisa ya God's Embassy hamwe na Kate Kabasinguzi owomuruka gwa bitubiri omutano kanso ya Butunduzi omurichenjijo district bakwatirwa kuryangatanisa miliyoni 10 eza parish development model.
Ati twende sente twenda kubamayi
tungire sente batari abaturage bankanyi abakunuya kandi nabandi batungire sente tubatungire sente zona miliyoni 1
kwe sente zinu sente zake wa hasi omuna kakoraki ketegereza bakuru nabwe cyo kurora bayizire bateye hesaha ezikwa okana nesaha zaitu arohe ensonga.
Pastor kwenu mumanya kaka fune sente zo muruka gwaji eze sente tuzokubagana abantu mbaye sente zabo bakore barige omugoro abantu 10 gamba mazima kuwa watu gambire kuri district abantu bali 10 bonka abandi nibabamanya okubatuka baba nibabamanya bagamba
aba nabagamba kuba babarabuze miliyoni 10 hamwe no kurubatirira nkora ya parish development model okutana byana birungi omurichenjejo gasha kwa Job na Amanya na Daniel Bingana.